Marhaba mentees, this is your mentor. Finally, it is 10th of May, the day when I promised that I will announce Pakistan's first ever study assistant website, that is www.thementor.pk, which is exclusively made for pre-medical students who aspire to become doctors and who aspire to get into med school. And this is a little initiative by me for you guys, and I'm sure that it is going to help you throughout your MDCAT process, because I know that this year has been very difficult for you guys. Due to pandemic, it has become very difficult to study at home. So if you're a pre-medical student and you aspire to become a doctor and get into a med school, this is something that you must have. Currently, there are so many features on the website that will help you throughout your MCAT process and prepare you for the final exam. There are chapter-wise quizzes, topical quizzes, subject-wise quizzes, and quizzes based on past papers, all consisting of multiple choice questions and answer keys within. Plus, it has videos consisting of mathematical short tips and tricks, shortcuts for solving physics numericals without using calculators, which is something that so many people ask me to make. And we are continuously upgrading the website. We are uploading so many things. We are introducing so many things. So there is so much more to come in the next few days. So stay tuned. All you have to do is go to the website. The link is in the description. You can also see here www.thementor.pk, and you have to get yourself a subscription which is so pocket friendly. I have tried my best to keep it as low as possible because I want each one of you to have this opportunity, to use this opportunity. Plus, there is an exclusive amazing discount offer for those who are going to register before 25th of May 2021. So hurry up and go to the website, get yourself registered and avail the offer. Subscription process is a very simple 5-step process. Step number 1, you have to go to the website and get yourself registered through your email address. Step number 2, select a suitable subscription package for yourself. Step number 3, transfer the subscription amount into the bank details that are provided on the website. They are also in the description box below. Step number 4, take a screenshot or picture of the receipt and send us on our WhatsApp or our Instagram or our email mentioning your own email address. Step number 5, hola, you're a mentee now. If you're a pre-medical student and you aspire to become a doctor and you have your MCAT exam this year or next year or after the next year, I highly recommend you to register yourself and start practicing quizzes, because MCAT is all about practicing. We are also expecting computerized tests this year, so the better the sooner. If you're prepared for it, if you get used to the new process, I'm sure that you will be able to achieve your dream. I'm sure that you are working hard. Believe in yourself. I'll say again, have faith in yourself and keep working hard. This is the time when you have to show your potential, and this is the time that is going to matter in the next 5 years. Bye bye. Peace.